rangni digital transaction claimani bukhago tabuk agogui tongo Bharat hakotor Australia ni kaisa koklam pandao o mahine kok sakha hakotorni montri S Jayshankar rangni digital transaction claimai berem jotori se kuchuk achuk thai achugui tongo Bharat hakotor Jayshankar sakha montri bokrok Narendra Modi ni naikil mungo hakotorni rangni digital transaction ni berem tabuk kaham wngwi tongo lukurokni bukhawo katal raida selaimung thairok snamui tongo tabuk digital raida ni bisingtwi lukurok kabang rang transfer khlai tonglayo Omahai Shamuna Chubachu Riwusung Hai Huni Shaka Montri S Jayshankar.
My sense is we today clearly got a strong political tailwind. The challenge in any relationship, different relationships work differently. Sometimes business gets a bit ahead. Sometimes you're kind of, I would say, socially or technologically driven. When I look at the Quad, each one of the relationships has moved with a different aspect of it leading. But I would say this for the political side, with a degree of vested interest here, that we have actually led so far, and we have created an environment today where I think the business side, the economic side, the investment side, the technology side can come in much more strongly, and that's really the phase today that we need to be working at.
2016 bishini yagulo Bharat hakotor digital transaction no katal selaimung phaika tabusuk jora kwbangma apps rokbo nokhorka rang transfer khlaina bagui Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm hai kwbangma apps rokbo tongo aro bio report koklam